Hello, my beautiful humans. Welcome to the Summer Nights premiere. I am HoA Prime. Tonight we'll be doing a Parfait Pour.
That was perfect. Okay. Awesome. Well, welcome, HoA. Okay. I'm so happy to have you pouring with us. And
Thank you, Mina Prime. What's this? This is not prime material. This is a postage stamp.
Oh, you want something bigger,
yeah.
Huh? Okay, no, don't throw it. There's another one over there on the side. You can, that one's all ready to go.
This.
There we go.
Okay, this is an Artists Loft gallery wrapped canvas. This is a 15 by 30. Mina has painted the sides and edges and taped the back and put in her push pins. Mina did that
because I have bots for that.
He actually said that to me.
Let me show you my colors.
In tonight's Parfait Pour, which is a lot like a sandwich pour, except that it uses another color and it has a thicker layer of bread in the middle. For the bottom part of the Parfait Pour, this is
Amsterdam Pearl Green.
Amsterdam Pearl Green. Mound on a mound on a mound. And then this one, which is going to be the middle layer, that makes it more parfait than sandwich, it's Prussian blue with a little bit of something something. What was this something something?
Oxide black.
Oxide black.
From Amsterdam.
From Amsterdam. That makes it a lot more like Payne's Gray than Prussian. Okay.
Do you remember? Be careful.
You tip over the showgirl. One of the bots put these very close to each other.
Okay.
Okay, this is, I believe it's titanium white.
Mm-hmm.
I remember that all by myself.
Titanium white.
Amsterdam titanium. Amsterdam titanium white. Pretty thick, mound on a mound on a mound.
Mm-hmm.
Usual.
Okay.
And then we have our favorite showgirl, Deco Art Metallics. Deco Art something with
Terracotta Americana Decor.
Terracotta Americana Decor.
Metallics.
A very patriotic showgirl.
24 karat
Americana
gold.
in 24 karat gold. And then this is a little thicker because we don't want it to get lost.
That's right. We don't want it to just float on the surface.
Exactly. We don't want it to just float on the surface.
Very nice.
And this one is
Blick Metallic Teal.
Blick Metallic Teal. Ooh.
So pretty.
Ooh.
Usually beautiful against that Payne's Gray.
Very good. Okay. When it's on top of something white, it doesn't really show up very much. But when it's on top of something metallic,
Or dark.
then dark, it does pretty groovy stuff.
Yeah.
Groovy.
And then when it's on the white, it does like this pretty opal, sort of pale, subtle opal-y thing.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah, it's cool. Should
right.
be a neat experiment. I'm excited. So it's the pearl green instead of the white for the sandwich form.
But okay, so this is the
Okay, so half an inch. A little more. I'll tell you when it's that's good. That's good. That's good. All right, that's your pearl green. That's good. Okay.
oh, I get the squeaky gloves too.
I'm gonna suggest that instead of pouring the drizzly colors, that maybe just drizzle them off a stick.
Okay. Okay, so this is the DIY Payne's Gray, which is the Prussian with a little bit of Mystic Black in it.
Oxide black.
Oxide black.
Is there a plane going by? Okay, that's good. because this was in Midnight Zone that we did one of the flip cups in white on top and one was Prussian blue. And we both liked the white one better. Okay, you're good. Nice job, HOA.
Thank you very much.
So now put your cups over there.
All right. So once again, this is more of the Amsterdam Pearl Green.
Right.
And
same consistency as the other paint.
all right, so we're going to do the flip. I'm going to hold it at the bottom. I'm going to keep my elbow close, and it's going to be the wrist.
Are you ready, Mina of Awesomeness?
Yes, Prime 1.
Okay, ready?
HOA Prime.
Here we go.
Okay, very cool. Pretty. I like it.
Are you ready, Mina of Awesomeness?
Yes, HOA Prime.
There we go.
Very nice. That's
Magic taps.
very, very pretty. Tippy taps too.
Tippy tap, tippy tap. Okay, so I'm going to lift this up slightly, and I'm going to twist it really quick so we don't get that
That's super fast.
that
Just-
bullseye.
okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Up. Break the seal. Up higher. Ooh, cool.
Okay, I'm going to do this one now. Ready?
Wait. Okay. Yeah.
Ready? There we go, breaking the seal.
Up.
Wow, that seems like a lot of paint.
It is a lot of paint.
Wow, that's really groovy.
It is really groovy.
I think that's freaking
7
beautiful.
million cells already.
Should I lip this, or does it look pretty lipped already? Is it?
I think you did a pretty good job.
Is it
If
awesome?
there is kind of a large swath there of a solid pearl green, you could do, no, like about going through there, yeah. I would kind of make it so that you don't see the circle that was in the middle. Correct that line. Do you know what I mean? Right.
So, a spatula, Mina's spatula, and we're going to
Take the stick out.
take this, and we're going to do our flow extender. What that does is that helps the paint slide around.
Okay, so what do you like the best?
I like this the best.
Okay.
So
if-
kind of roll down this way.
I would actually wouldn't mind if you wrecked that middle gray line.
This?
Yeah. Okay, that was deep, but okay. So
So take this out that way first.
find the way to your paint and go towards one of your corners. There you go. Walk it down the canvas nice and easy. Side. Put it down. Put it down. Move your hand. There you go. That's really cool. Okay, tilt it towards this corner, like severely struggling.
Shove it.
Yeah. Okay, now come back really quick.
Oops.
Okay, you're kind of losing a lot of paint off of this side edge, so. Okay. pretty. It's rather beautiful though. You kind of come just get off the bottom edge. Stand it up like, yeah. There we go. Okay. I would say that's perfect right there. I kind of want you to stop.
Amazing how cold the paint is. My fingers.
That's really cool.
Oh, that's pretty bitchin', huh?
Yeah. Pretty darn bitchin'. I love this part. That like where all those little cells are with the gold in the middle and
Over
the like,
here?
swoosh. No, up at the top.
Over
There's
this?
like this. No, there's like this darker Payne's peacock feathery thing. That's amazing. Yes. Okay. This is way cool.
That's why they call me HOA Prime.
What do you?
Oh,
like
I gotta burn it, right?
No.
Fire.
No.
Fire.
What do you like most about it? You do
No.
need to like wipe off the bottom edges because it's still dripping off the. Nope, it's gentle. Yeah, there you go.
All right. Well, what I really dig is I like this gold area over here, and then also like Mina, I love this cloudy. Just like it kind of looks like electricity, like lightning running
Yeah.
through here, sheet lightning.
Very cool.
And then this is, I mean, just like nothing about it I don't like.
No, you did a great job. Uh-oh, he's gonna get a dig, dude.
No.
I think you did a great job, HOA.
Thank you, my love. All right, so I get to burn it. Yeah.
Well, cool. I hope you had as much fun as we did on this pour.
And we really appreciate all you guys so very, very much. This is fun and awesome. And we will be back with some dried results.
Good job, HOA. You rocked it.
Thank you.
Thank you, HOA.
Thank you very much.
HOA Pride. Okay, so here we are a couple days later with our dried results of the awesome HOA Parfait Pour, the HOA Prime. This turned out so beautiful. I love this. First of all, I see like this whole mountain scene with sky above it and ocean underneath it crashing in waves. It's very, very pretty. And I am in love, love with this section right in here. These cells of this gold and these like lightning-y lines in there are just so cool. Really, really beautiful job, honey. Very, very happy with this. Okay, should we do the pearl green pop? Woo! There it is. Awesome. Can you go this way now? Yeah. Ooh. Very, very cool. Okay, stand it up more. That's it. Now just go side to side a little. Very cool. Yeah, just tilt back a little bit. There it is. Very cool. Awesome. Okay, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us tonight on our Wednesday summer premieres. It was awesome hanging out with you guys, and we will see you next week. Thanks again, HOA.
Thank you.